How to fix mobile network not available on Samsung. So if it says mobile network not available on Samsung on your SIM card that you've inserted, there could be various reasons behind this. First thing you can try to do is try to turn on airplane mode and try to turn it off again to reset or refresh your network connection and see if that helps you. Now, based on the SIM card or carrier provider you're using, simply launch the settings app and go to connections. And from connections, you can simply scroll down to SIM manager. Here you can make sure if your SIM is currently enabled. Second, go to mobile networks and turn on VoLTE. If your network mode is not set that to the one that your carrier or your country supports. Go to access point names. If you set a custom APS or access point name APN, that could be causing the issue. So tap the three dots icon and tap on reset to default. If none of these are helping, just come back and scroll down to the general section. From general management, again scroll down and tap on reset. And tap on reset all the settings option over here to reset all the settings, and hopefully that would help you solve the problem. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.